Okay.
Yeah, you know what?
You know what?
I'm gonna keep the supers off for my stream because I don't deserve it with how scuffed it is.
Hey, that's no way to think. It's not your fault that it's scuffed. Sometimes this stuff just happens. It's just part of streaming.
I just don't feel good about it. You know what? Save the supers for me. Just
I don't beat yourself up about it, okay? It's
yeah, of course.
yeah. You are a great Kronii.
And you are better.
No, that's bad. That's bad.
No.
I have to scold you for that one.
Why?
You can't be putting yourself down like that.
Okay. Okay.
What happened to Kronii Perfect?
I woke up very recently, so it's okay.
That's true. Early morning brain is sometimes not the kindest brain.
Exactly. It's all good.
It's all good.
On a new adventure.